Ready to dive into the Solana universe but need a secure place to keep your treasures? Let's get you set up with Phantom Wallet in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Phantom app using your Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge browser. Phantom is available on all of these. Click on the correct browser to install the Phantom browser extension. Find Phantom Wallet, then click Add to Chrome. Confirm you want to install the extension by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. Fantastic! Now a new tab should open up with Phantom Wallet. Select Create a new wallet. This screen is vital. You'll see your secret recovery phrase, a set of 12 words. Write these down exactly in the order they appear and store them somewhere incredibly safe, preferably offline. This is your only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. On the next screen, Phantom will ask you to verify that you have saved your secret recovery phrase, so type in the exact order of your secret recovery phrase from what you had saved on a piece of paper. Click Confirm. Now, pick a strong password, something you don't use anywhere else. Then, check the box to agree to the terms of service and click Continue. Great! Now Phantom will give you a keyboard shortcut option to quickly access your wallet directly from your computer. Click All Done. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Phantom Wallet. Explore the interface to buy, send, or swap tokens. And remember to always keep your seed phrase secure. Happy trading on Solana.